Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sandara, and if you're coming back, welcome back. So it's been a good little minute. I have actually started making scrunchies, and I'm practicing on sewing, but I'm kind of procrastinating. So I got some thread from I don't remember. I think I got it from Mercari. I think it was Mercari. So I got this. Got this for $19. It's 32 spools. So let's get into it. All right. So it's been a while. I have a sewing room coming together. Comment below if you want to see me getting my sewing room together. I have it kind of like, I would say 50 to 75% done, just because the baby still is in there for right now because she's still waking up at night. But if you're interested in seeing me get my room together, definitely let me know. I feel like it's not really much to record, but I don't know. Some people may be interested, so just let me know. Okay, so just to go into a little bit more detail, I'm going to tell you exactly how many of what I got, what's new. Most of these are new. There's 4, 8, 9. 9 of them are not new out of the 32, which is a great deal. So I got 4 whites, and these are all Maxi Lock all-purpose. So I got 4 whites. One of the whites is open. I got 4 orchards, which is this beautiful like lavender color. All of those are open, but they look brand new almost. All right, so yeah, all of the ones that are open, like you could tell, there's barely any used. Like look at this, there's barely any used on the did I say 9? Yeah, 9 that are open. So we got the orchard whites. I have 4 pinks, like a light pink. I have 4 soap stones. And if you need to know what color there are, this is the sticker that I'm looking at. It tells you all of the information. It tells you the yardage, 3,000 yards, the Texas 27, and the color, brand, all of those type of things, material, polyester. So that's how you know whenever you're looking for your serger threads. So like I said, 4 of the soap stones. I got 4 of the, which this is a little different, just a little bit different. This is beige taupe, got 4 of those. Have 4 pearls. Let me show you the difference between, you see it's a little creamier. So that's got 4 pearls, and then I got 8 of the blacks. And all of this, like I said, came out to a total of $33.02 with taxes and shipping. And that brings all of them out to $1.03, I believe, per serger thread. And when they're originally $7.99, that is a steal. That's a steal. Like I said, the cheapest I've seen them like for the like full price for one is Wawak, and that's like I think I said $2.79. I believe that's what I said. It's like a little under $3, but like I said, all of these came out to be $1.03 with taxes and shipping and everything. Like I said, the lot was only $19, and these are amazing quality. Almost all of them are new, and the ones that are open, like I said, have barely been used. Like you could tell, they have not been used much. I'm also thinking of doing a first things that I have, which I have a lot compared to when I first started sewing in January when I took my class and I made my outfit. I did make my outfit. I have to finish uploading all of the videos. They were kind of staggered, and took a little longer because class was paused a few times, and then we had people who needed to catch up. So class, it was extended a good minute. It took a while, and that kind of, I stopped recording because it was not very consistent. So I wasn't able to really record consistently. And then a lot of times I forgot because it was like, oh, we're having class today. Oh, we're not having class today. Oh, I'm not going to be able to make it to class today. So it was a whole, like, it went from being, I think it was supposed to be 2 months, a 2-month class, to being like 6 months. Really enjoyed the class. I learned a little bit. When I first started, I only had the sewing machine that I bought from Amazon specifically for the class. It was recommended to get a digital, I think it's called a computerized sewing machine. And I just had my basic one that I had since I was 14. I actually need to get all of my machines maintenance. And all of them, I have a brother serger, a brother computerized sewing machine, as well as a brother like beginner machine. And I'll put all of the links if you're interested in that. And I also put the things that I had when I first started versus what I have now, because I feel like that's a big thing. All right, everybody. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Any videos that you would like to see, like sewing, my machine, like anything you want to see with me going through my so successful journey, let me know, because I don't know what to record. I don't know what people would like to see. I do have questions that I will probably post up on my story and see if I get answers. And I'll do a lot of YouTubing and all of that stuff. So yeah, just let me know what you guys would like to see. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'll answer them. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.